Hey, I'm Ella. I've been practicing yoga for over 10 years now, teaching for about 7. Originally, I was probably drawn to yoga for its therapeutic qualities. For example, its ability to actually reduce physiological markers of stress in the body. And then I realised I could actually engage with the practice as a discipline to build a relationship with and develop my personal power. I mainly teach from this perspective now, guiding students to find their own experience of yoga, working with a vinyasa and yin style framework. The aim is to have students hopefully continually reconnect with brightening their inner light. Hope to see you around the studio. I'm teaching weekly at Flex Hot Yoga in Norman Park. Come and pop by the studio and see me in class.